नमस्तेस्तु हलाग्रह नमस्ते मुसलायुध नमस्ते रेवतीकान्त नमस्ते भक्तवत्सल नमस्ते बलिनां श्रेष्ठ नमस्ते धरणीधर प्रलम्भारि नमस्तुभ्यं त्राहि मां कृष्णपूर्वज।
Very auspicious day today. Many devotees don't even understand who Balaramji is. That Mahavishnu, who lies on the Koshal ocean, is actually an expansion of Balaram, who is Krishna's first expansion, and in the Vrindavan pastimes is the brother of Krishna. In the Mahamantra, the word Rama refers to Balaram. One who has no love for Lord Balaram after hearing Srimad Bhagavatam is rejected by both the Lord and his devotees. So we have to be very, very, very careful. Even if Krishna comes to you and says, okay, take my 64 qualities, you go rule the world. Does that mean Krishna will not remain Bhagavan? He is Purna. It's not like even from a large bucket of water, you take out water, 1 liter, 2 liter, the water goes down. That liter has minus from there. But in Krishna, no matter how many Krishnas you take out, he is still Purna. This is Krishna and Balaram. Balaram and Krishna are the original, efficient and material causes of the material world. As Mahavishnu and the material energy, they enter into the material elements and create the diversities by multi-energies. Thus they are the cause of all causes. Sarva Karanam Karanam. They are both one. That's why it is said they are the cause of all causes. My dear Uddhava, listen, it is very, very nice because here the word used intelligent. An intelligent person should never take to literatures that do not contain descriptions of my activities, which purify the whole universe. Indeed, I create, maintain, inhalate the entire material manifestation. Then he says, among all my pastime incarnation, the most beloved are Krishna and Balaram. Any so-called knowledge that does not recognize these activities of mine is simply barren and is not acceptable by those who are actually intelligent. Barren means a land where you cannot plant anything. So that means their brain is useless, that does not understand Krishna. Sometimes when Lord Krishna's elder brother, Lord Balaram, felt tired after playing and lay his head on the lap of a cowherd boy, Lord Krishna himself saved him by massaging his feet. So many times we only hear that Balaram is saving Krishna or Radharani is saving Krishna. But Krishna does, just as in the beginning I said, he doesn't want to be God. But because he is God, it can't be changed. He just wants to be a simple village boy playing with his boyfriends and girlfriends. So this is Krishna massaging Sri Balaram's feet. So same he does with Radharani also. He massages Radharani's feet. So see this, the mood in Goloka, here is all perverted. There it's all about everyone wants to save each other. Here everyone wants to be saved. We want to be the big boss, the CEO, president or treasurer or something. We can't save without a post or portfolio. Even I have to be part of, I have to be the pujari or I have to be head of the book distribution or something, then only I can. Once the portfolio is taken away from you, you're like a panchataya, you stay somewhere away from, because I'm really disturbed. See, this is the difference. But then Srila Prabhupada achieved so much. Prabhupada came to West. Many people think Prabhupada came with 40 rupees or this or that. But Prabhupada really came with only two things. He came with Yug Dharma and he came with the instruction of his Guru. He did not bring other ritualistic garbage of Vedic culture or Indian culture. He just came. See, before Prabhupada, there was many other saints or so-called sadhus. They went to the West, but they did not succeed. Why? Because they took the ritualistic garbage with them. But Sri Prabhupada took only the pure part, which is the Yug Dharma. Kaler dos nidhe rajan asti eko mahan guna kirtana deva krishna se mukta sangha param bhajan. The word eko clearly specified. We don't have to be a big sadhu, a big Sanskrit scholar to understand. Eko means one. Why are we bringing, this tithi, that tithi, this puja, that puja, and all other things? This is what made Prabhupada successful. Because we don't have enough faith in the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. We think Mahamantra will not act for us. So Krishna says Mahamantra is actually Krishna and Balaram themselves. So when we chant Mahamantra, we are already associating with Krishna. Just because we physically can't see, we think, oh, it's just Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Sri Balaram is the counter form of Lord Govinda. He is Krishna himself, just with different bodily feature. These two are one in the same identity. Krishna and Balaram, Gauranitai. These two are one in the same identity. They differ only in form. Lord Balaram is the first bodily expansion of Krishna, and he assists in Lord Krishna's transcendental pastimes. So hopefully in this auspicious day of Sri Balaram's appearance, please ask forgiveness to Guru and Gauranga and all the Vaishnavas if you have that offensive mentality or you don't have that good relationship. See, remember, many times we attend Namhat programs and this and that, and we learn many things, Prayojana, all these technical terms, Abhideya, Sambandha Jnana, this Jnana, that Jnana. But what does Sambandha means? Sambandha means relationship, knowledge of relationship. So if we don't have relationship, good relationship here, do you think we will go to Goloka Vrindavan where everything is based on a relationship? Never ever. Not even in dreams. Never. So unless we develop that faith and that relationship with devotees, have a nice relationship. In this also there may be some at times when there will be friction and other things. So rather than offending each other, you can keep a distance, but also show respect to others. That way your mental status will be good and your taste for chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra will increase. But if you see many times when we see someone doing wrong something or we have some problem with someone and we come back home, what are we actually doing? We are meditating on someone else's sin. Someone has done wrong to us. He has done wrong once and we are doing wrong 100 times in our mind. Prabhupada made this movement and he called, I'm building a house in which everyone can stay. In a house where everyone stays, what do you call those people? Family members. In a house, family members stays. So, my guru, your guru, this person, that person. So hopefully this little enlightenment will help all of you increase your chanting and increase your faith in Guru and Gauranga. But the most important thing is developing relationship with Vaishnavas. Even in Lord Shiva's planet, which is in middle, even to go there, it has to be based on relationship. That planet is above material world. So even to go there, you need relationship. So if we are not training ourselves here to have good relationship, how can we expect to go there because we are not trained? Thank you very much, Hare Krishna. Then we will have Aarti. ऐसी भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी श्री प्रभुपाद की